Dear Liza, there's a seed in the Hi guys.
Hello.
I am back with my dear friend Lauryn Williams, and we are gonna do one more amazing recipe to jumpstart our cellular detox and energize our body, build a little bit of heat in the stomach for good digestion, and generally just feel better, right?
It's gonna be a little spicy.
We're gonna use some fresh ginger and some lemon and maple syrup. And some of you might have heard of the maple lemonade cayenne cleanse.
There's a famous person that cleanse is associated with.
This one's a little different, and I kind of love it. It's a little bit of Eastern philosophy behind the recipe. The ginger is going to help us on many different levels to build heat in the body, which is going to keep us healthy throughout the day. So we're going to put about an inch worth of ginger, and you can leave the skin on for this, as long as it's clean.
This is like an inch and a half.
Yeah, that might be a bit much.
Okay, I'll just take this little
Take it enough.
hangnail off. Well, it's probably still not an inch, but it's gonna be a little spicy. It's in there.
Oh, maybe cut it up a little bit.
Oh, okay. Don't do this. Don't.
If you don't have a Vitamix, if your blender is not high power, you don't have something like a NutriBullet, would be great. Vitamix is great. If your blender struggles to get things smooth, then you could grate the ginger, and that will help a little bit as well. Okay, and then we need to squeeze a couple of these lemons in.
Well, it looks like we're doing some rolling, not squeezing.
I'm rolling to get them soft so that when you squeeze...
I tried to find a soft one, but...
Oh, this one looks softer.
I really did attempt.
Let's do all of them.
Not nice lemons.
Bam.
Cut and squeeze.
And if you get a lemon pit in, that's okay. You don't want a ton of them because they're bitter, but they're actually very healthy. So go ahead.
Seeds are not bad for you.
Seeds are not bad, no. They're actually very good. Have you ever heard of grapefruit seed extract?
No.
So that's like a natural antibiotic, and it's made from the seeds of the grapefruit.
Sounds like something you pay extra for at the grocery store, but you can just eat the grapefruit seeds then. Grapefruit seed extract.
Well, if you're traveling, like I've traveled through, East Africa and stuff, where there's lots of interesting little amoebas to pick up and things like that, it's handy to have it in a vial.
You always have a grapefruit laying around.
Exactly. And it's way more potent. Dear Liza, there's a seed in the
This is a great instrument for seed removal.
Ooh, here we go.
Very fancy. I refer to it as a spoon.
How do you spell that? Spoon.
Spoon, not.
Let's do.
I just gotta try it,
We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of maple syrup to start with.
1, 2, 3, a quarter.
Yeah.
I'm very good at measuring.
And then we'll do water to here-ish.
Maybe more than that.
Perfecto. Okay, that was it.
Ta-da!
It's kind of easy. Just blended.
Ginger, maple syrup, lemon, water. 4 ingredients.
That's it. Let us have a try.
Let's do it. Ooh. Looks lemonade-y.
Some champagne. This looks delish. It looks like it's all smooth.
And this lemonade has a little bit of fiber.
Oh, wow. That's so good.
And it's got ginger.
And look how many lemons. That was 3 whole lemons. So this is great for our liver as well. We're detoxing everything right now. Lungs, ginger, liver, lemons.
It's not super spicy either. So if you're spice adverse, you'll still like this.
I dig it. Well done.
Very good job. I do say so myself.